back. This is Higher Time. My name's Adam Helfman. We've got Erica Harper and Bill Burkhardt from Kanga Roof. Bill, what's the website again?
www.kanga, Kanga-roof.com.
What's with the name Kanga?
Kangaroo, Kanga Roof is just a play on words, and we try to be service-oriented, so Kanga Roof, we hop to it. It works.
I love it.
You'll never forget it.
Right?
Never, ever.
And Kanga Roof, we hop to it.
Yeah, I can't help saying we hop to it after I say kangaroo. Like, in fact. So
when
it's
Adam's
very
92 years old in the old folks' home, he's going to be whistling Kanga Roof Hop to It songs in the...
I'll be now like, hey, come here, lady.
Hop to
Let's
it.
hop to it. Come
Hop
on.
to it.
That'd be funny. So, Bill, how long have you been a roofer?
Over 30 years.
Wow, that's a long time.
It's a long time.
What made you get in the roofing business?
That's a really good question. I was in sales, building materials, electronic sales, and I just didn't like it. And I called on contractors, and I just seemed to like what they were doing. They got
You're like, these guys are making money doing this. I could do that.
Yeah, but you're meeting people, you're helping people, and I fell in love with it. I got a couple job offers, and I made the switch and never looked back.
When did you start Kanga?
13 and a half, 14 years ago.
So you have a couple of your family members working with you. How many family members work at Kanga?
I have 3 sons, and 2 of them work with me at Kanga.
Full-time?
Full-time.
And that's Bill Jr.
And Matthew.
and Matthew. Matthew's been on the show. And but Bill, they've all been on the show.
They've
now.
been on the show. Yeah.
Yeah, I had a good time. I did your little podcast with Bill Jr.
Yes.
It was fun.
Good.
Yeah, we're having fun. We're gonna have. Listen, we have a big year planned.
So do we.
Right, and we think that it's going to be I'm expecting a really big roofing season, starting today.
Starting today.
Tonight, right?
Today, the phones will be ringing.
So, clearly, you know, you're prepared. You focus on your business. You focus on, you know, customer service. The feedback from Higher Time. Now, this is your 3rd year with us.
Yes.
So, the feedback has been AAA, like all pluses, all, you know, would highly recommend them, use them again. And that's a testament to your commitment to customer service.
Absolutely.
So we appreciate that and thank you, because it's a good match for all of us. Well, let me ask you a personal question. When you're not doing roofing, because we live in that space, what do you do on your time off or for fun?
Well, when I get off the radio today, I am driving to Grand Rapids to spend some time with my granddaughter.
How old is she?
She is 2.5.
Oh.
We're going to watch the Super Bowl together.
That's a good one.
She's going to go. She's going to go to bed probably at the end of the first quarter.
So you won't be watching much of the Super Bowl.
Yes.
She's going to be doing it with you.
Correct.
Yeah.
But then in the summertime, I have a bad habit. I do like to golf, and then we have a boat, and Lake St. Clair's beautiful, so we spend time with the family out there.
Nice. I like that. What's your biggest challenge in the roofing business the last couple of years?
It's simple. It's getting good quality people.
Isn't that the ringing theme of everything? Labor?
Yes, labor. We have actually changed how we're operating as a company, because we're investing a lot of money in training programs. There are not skilled people out there to hire. If they're good, our competition is not going to let them go. They're going to do whatever they got to do to keep them.
Sure.
So we have to bring in new people, and we have to train them from the ground up.
You're really good at that, by the way.
We try really hard. And Matthew's background, he was going to be a teacher. So that's part of his job.
Oh, that's right. Forgot about that.
Yep.
Interesting.
So you have, anybody can come there, well, as long as they're not, you know, they can pass a drug test and all of that. And then they can come there and be trained how to do sales or do installation or both.
All of the above.
All of the above.
Well, that's
if you have the right attitude, we will find the right place.
So anyone out there listening right now, if you know somebody that is not made for college or not, you know, you can make really, really good money working in the trades.
Absolutely.
And you're willing to hire the right hardworking individual that's committed and even train them.
Correct.
It's not a bad idea. There's nothing wrong with that.
Nope. We actually have a career page on our website they can go to. There's some information about the company, and there's an online form where they can fill out some basic information, upload a resume, and we respond within 48 hours.
Always a good thing. It's a good thing. So back to the weather really quick, because we're going to get warm weather. That's a recipe for ice damming. We talked about it, but I also wanted to make sure that you have your discount right now is 50% off labor for emergency snow and ice dam removal. So that's this weekend, according to Bill Jr.
Yeah, well, it's 50% off installs. It's 20% off emergency repairs.
Oh.
He might have given you the wrong info there.
Okay,
So-
well, here's the deal.
Still a
The
deal.
bottom line is,
There
if
is-
there's an emergency, you'll call. Now,
Hired Done has a special up for you on our specials page at hireddone.com, and you also have a specials page at kanga-roof.com with all of the information and the correct specials. So if you want insulation or windows, or if you need your roof repair, there's different ones you click on.
You got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
which is always a good thing. So if someone sees leaking Monday, Sunday, whatever it is, they call Kanga. How, is it first come, first serve? Is that what it is? You go.
Yes.
So if there's ice damming, what does your crew do when they get to the house?
First thing you do is take a look at what the problem is, and then the next step is to get as much ice and snow off the roof as possible. Once in a while, it's really bad where you have to chop it off. Typically, what we will do is broadcast calcium chloride and
Sure.
over the area so it can melt. We'll put it in the gutters, wherever you can put it. The magic thing is you never put anything on your roof that's got sodium in the name. So,
Really?
yep, calcium chloride is it. It's the only thing you can put on the roof.
Magnesium chloride, potassium chloride, but not sodium.
Correct.
Now, sodium chloride is salt.
Yep.
But potassium chloride, magnesium chloride, and the other ones that are like the pet friendly, but they're also more chemically reactive, will not harm your roof.
Correct.
Oh, okay. So I had those roof melt pucks. So those are made out of must not be. So obviously they're made for roofs. You
Right.
throw them up there. Those are temporary.
Very temporary.
Now I seen a guy who has like a steam unit. It looks like a mop, and it's like connected to like a carpet cleaning machine, but it just blows steam. And he would put it up on the roof.
Yep.
That's kind of cool.
It is cool and it works.
Yeah, it's expensive, I bet.
Very expensive.
And of course, it's only, ice damming's unpredictable. You don't know when. So it's not like you have to buy this and then you sit and wait, right? Twiddle your thumbs.
Correct.
Like the Maytag guy.
And what happens is there's a couple people that have them, and they sit in their warehouse for months and months on end, and then when they go to use them, they have to recover the cost. So whatever I'm going to charge you, they're going to be 2-3 times as much to do the same type of work.
I have seen people melt snow on roofs with the big industrial torches.
Yeah.
And they carry a certain amount of propane with them, and the flame's pretty big. That's always scary.
Yes, we don't like to have open flames on people's homes.
Yeah,
it's a
we prefer
really
not
bad
to.
idea.
Right?
Absolutely.
So I'm assuming this time of year you go on vacation a lot because there's not a whole lot of work.
A little bit.
A little bit. So
Little bit.
well, there's nothing wrong with that. I just want to know, where's the best spot to go? Where's your favorite spot?
My favorite spot to go is anywhere in the Caribbean.
Really?
Anywhere.
Aruba. That's
Anywhere.
my favorite, Aruba.
I don't care.
Really?
Yep.
So Bahamas, Haiti, don't matter.
Are there
Jamaica.
spots you haven't been to yet that you want to check out?
Actually, Bahamas is the one we haven't been to.
Really?
That we have to.
So the Bahamas has got the big, whatchamacallit, the Atlantis.
Yeah, it's got the Atlantis Tower.
And the theme there is slow and slower. Everything is slow, and the service is slow, and everything's slower.
So, but there's an island that you fly into the Atlantis or Bahamas, somewhere Nassau.
Yeah.
I'm not sure where it is. Then you take a boat to this other island, and it's a much smaller, more secluded. It's an all-inclusive resort. You go out there, you go bone fishing. They got these special tours. It's
that's
supposed,
cool.
yeah, it's supposed to be just awesome. I mean, you go fishing in the morning. They cook your fish in the afternoon.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah. Meanwhile, you're on a tour somewhere back in the jungle doing stuff. That's on the list. That's happening in the next 2 years for sure.
They just opened an all-inclusive in the Florida Keys.
Really?
Yeah, it's the first one in Florida.
When you say all-inclusive, is that...
They got restaurants and drinks on the property, and all kinds of excursions and activities to do right on the property.
Sure.
There's scuba diving trips and snorkeling trips and stuff right from there, so you don't have to organize all of that outside of your hotel.
Yeah. Well, that's cool.
Yep. Yeah. We were just down in Mexico recently, and we went swimming with the dolphins, and that was one of the coolest things I ever
Yeah.
did.
That was fun. I did that.
That sounds
a
awesome.
long time ago. So, Bill, what's the phone number if someone wants to get roofing?
586-566-0308.
Kanga-roof.com.
You got it.
Get ready for the ice dam is coming up. You'll be standing by, so we'll hire it done. Well, that wraps up our first hour. Don't worry. We got one more to go, and it's going to even be better because we're going to be kicking off our project of the month, furnace installation. At 8:15, I'm going to tell you the best way to really save money on your heating bill, which is, of course, and we got Josh Young from Voltron. We're going to take a quick break, my friends, and we'll be back. By the way, shout out to Brennan, who's on his way to soccer. Matt, my guy from Morton's, he's listening right now. We'll be right back.
Powell Miller of the Miller Law Firm here.